Hello and welcome to Minecraft PE, and I am sort of doing a special with survival games, Lifeboat SG, and the 12.0 update is coming out in 2 days, I think. Well, all I know is that it's coming out soon, and it's going to be so exciting. So we're gonna start off with some survival games. And I got this amazing skin from Minecraft Universe, I think. I think I got this skin from Minecraft Universe. Go check it out. And come on. Some people might want to team, and that's okay, but I'm not teaming. I'm not teaming even if anyone asks me, sorta. I think so. I'm sorry if this is like long because we have to wait. Everyone is here. The thing is that VIPs get like extra gear. I think I signed in and logged in and registered. That's only happened to me once. I got gear. But I don't know. I think I have to do it every time. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Let's do this one. No, that's mine. Okay, boots. 1 ingot. Okay, I think I'm dead. Okay, and a sword. 15 seconds of infidelity. I am not starting off good. There's a chest up there. I might be able to get some stuff. I'm no longer invincible. I don't think there's anyone chasing me. Come on. Oh my god. People are getting killed already. Where's that chest I saw? Oh, it's right there. Okay, has some iron. I have leggings. That's horrible. The thing is, I have a tactic where I hang around here, so when the 4 minutes comes, I could grab all the stuff out of the chest because all the chests get refilled after 4 minutes. Sorry, crowd. Oh, there's a chest over there. I think someone already got it. Oh, there's 2 chests. I might be able to get some really good stuff. Oh, yes. Oh, good. Oh, this is good. I could take a stick, too. Give me that. So far, so good with my armor. Let me see if, what's in here? Chain there. Well, I could get some boots. Oh, crap. No. Get out of here. If I die from this guy. Oh, yes. Never mess with me. I'm a boss. But, oh, I really need some food. What's ever in here? That won't help. Well, I could do some lily pad parkour to get over to that island. Or I could just swim across like any dude would do. You know, stuff. For the exercise. Come on, I can get the chest. Yes. What's in here? Not that much stuff is useful. I mean, all I need is food and a better weapon, like the flint and steel. Flint and steels are really helpful. I've had one. Oh, the deathmatch is starting in 5 minutes. Let me run over by spawn so we can get some chests. Come on. Hurry! Yeah, the 12.0 update, I've been hearing about it. I'm going on Wikipedia. and it's coming out really soon. I think it's coming out in 2 days. I mean, it's going to be so exciting. So excited. And see, those people know what's going on, too. Ah, darn it, I died. Darn it, I died. That's stupid. Come on. That guy had a diamond axe. It makes sense why I'd kill him. So, no. Let's actually do some spleef. I'm not good at Skywars because I'm usually a spectator all the time. So let's just do some spleef and then just randomly going around here exploring. Oh jeez. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna probably get loud because of all the stuff that's happening. Sorry for the dark screen. Yeah, but come on. I'm not registered to go into this. I am registered. Okay, we're in. The thing is, that's funny. You get potion effects, and yeah. Oh yes. Let me see what time it is. Actually, I'm fine. Come on. I'm really excited for this update because I think they're adding ocelots and it's gonna be so fun. I mean, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I get haste and jaw. No, I get jump and nausea. I hate that. I'm good at spleef. Oh crap. No. I'm getting these. How come I'm not getting... Oh, I got jump boost. Come on. No. No. No, don't get me. Oh, I have jump boost. Haha. Jump boost. Not me, bruh. Not me. You think that's gonna work? That's not gonna matter. Haha. Jump boost. You can't get me. Yes. Everyone gets nauseous for 10 seconds. Not in my case. Oh crap. I could help. I could help. I could help get people. Come on. Oh, you're on the outside, cheater. That's not gonna matter. Because I'm still chasing you. I'm getting chased. I'm getting chased. No. No, no. No. Oh, crap. Oh, no. That guy. Now the spectator. Darn it, he set up a trap. Oh no, he set up a freaking trap. You're still up there. And what the... How come I can't go down that far? Okay, this dude... Okay, he won.
Every day we help people hurt in accidents. Do you
right?
have compensation you're entitled to
right, yeah, he won. No, he didn't.
Do you need our help?
There's still you. Come on, I'm recording. This is gonna take forever. Come on, you're ruining my videos. Come on. You're ruining my videos. I'm actually gonna type that in. No. No. Come on, go. Please. I'm waiting. What? I have a creative inventory. Never noticed that? Come on. Go. Okay, he's working his way down.
You tease people all the time with your quick little dig, your sarcastic comments, and the one time we tease you, you sat on my table? I mean, I only had it for 2 days, Mike. It's not a comfortable thing for me. You get that?
Come on.
Why are you embarrassed? There's a fun side to you. If you want to be embarrassed, be embarrassed.
I wish I could break blocks to help this dude. Come on. Well, if it's not done by, like, the... Oh, there.
You're going around acting like you're Mr. or the big tree with no feelings, and you're just as nervous as I am.
Okay, he won. He won. Oh, let's do another one. Let's do this one.
Next one's going to be yes. Gotta be, right?
Oh, this is one of my favorite maps. You're now in first place. Yay! You know, I was like the third one to die. Yay! Wait, how am I like in third place? I mean first. Four, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Whoa! Woohoo! Woo! I could totally make this. Woo! Oh, crap! Are you serious? I could totally make this, not. Oh, that's so stupid. Wow, I'm so mad at myself. What the heck was that? What the? Oh, I know what you're doing. That's not gonna work because we have jump boost on, and they see. I could have done that. That's exactly what happened to me. You won. I'm so happy. Not. Didn't you win? Oh yes. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so let's go back, and I'm trying to go. Mods aren't allowed. I'm not using mods. What the heck? I'm trying to get back. Can I just use /lobby? Will that do anything? /lobby. That's not. Wow. What does this do? Potato. What did potato do? You could buy 50 potatoes for 100 coins. What do potatoes do? What the heck do potatoes do? Well, what? I want to get out. Well, I think that's going to be it for this episode. And today is July 29th, I think. Yeah, it's 29th, and I think the 12.0 update is coming in August, the 1st of August, I think. They said it was gonna come out today, but I think that's just the that means they're almost done. I think that's what they're trying to say. But can we get 150 likes as always? Please, just I don't know. Get a comment. Let's get some comments, yeah. I never say that in my videos, but I mean to. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.